Lecture 10: Simple Metrics That Matter: Traffic, Clicks, and Conversions. We have talked about creating content, running ads, using email, and understanding tools like Google Analytics. But here's the thing: data is only useful if you know what to look at. Digital marketing gives you access to tons of numbers, but not all of them are equally important. In this lecture, we'll focus on three simple but powerful metrics that every marketer, beginner, or expert should understand: traffic, clicks, and conversions. If you know how to track these, you can answer questions like: are people finding your content? Are they engaging with it? Are they taking action? Let's break it down. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to define and understand what traffic, clicks, and conversions mean in digital marketing. Learn how each metric connects to a different stage of the marketing journey. Recognize what these metrics can tell you about performance. Apply these concepts to make better marketing decisions. Traffic. How many people are showing up? Traffic is the number of people visiting your website, blog, store, or landing page. Think of it like foot traffic in a mall. The more people walking by your store, the more chances you have to make a sale. There are different types of traffic. Organic traffic. People who found you through a search engine. Direct traffic. People who typed your website URL. Referral traffic. People who come from another site, for example a blog or article. Social traffic. Visitors who came from platforms like Instagram or TikTok. Paid traffic. Clicks from online ads. Why it matters. Tracking traffic helps you understand where your audience is coming from and whether your efforts like content, SEO, or social posts are actually attracting visitors. For example, you can just click in here as traffic acquisition in the Google Analytics. And here you can see, you can scroll down a bit and you can just see in here as sessions, engagement rate, average engagement time per session, events per session, and events counts as well. And you can just see, if you want to see that from where your audience is, you can just click in here and you can just scroll down a bit and it shows total users by audience name over time. And you can scroll down a bit. If you want to see the demographic details, you can just click in here and it shows active users by country over time. And from here, you get to know that from where your audience is. Clicks. Are they interested enough to interact? Traffic is great, but clicks tell you that someone engaged. A click happens when someone interacts with a link, button, or ad. It might be clicking learn more on your homepage, clicking a product in your ad, clicking a video thumbnail, clicking on a call to action in your email. If traffic is about showing up, clicks are about getting involved. Clicks help answer questions like: did my headline grab attention? Was my image or video appealing? Was the call to action clear? Marketers often look at click-through rate, CTR, the percentage of people who saw your content and clicked. A higher CTR usually means your message is resonating. Conversions. Are people doing what you want them to do? This is the big one. A conversion is when a user completes a desired action. It depends on your goal. For example, if you're a blogger, a conversion might be someone subscribing to your email list. If you're selling a product, it's a purchase. If you're promoting a cause, it's someone filling out a volunteer form. Conversions are the ultimate signal that your marketing is working, not just attracting attention, but getting results. You can track conversions using Google Analytics, ad platforms, or email tools. You can also assign value to conversions to see which actions bring the most return. How they all work together. Let's say you run a small ad campaign for a webinar. Traffic: 1,000 people visit your landing page. Clicks: 400 of them click the sign up button. Conversions: 120 actually registered for the webinar. Now you can realize which ad generated the most clicks, which page converted best, and where are the people dropping off. By connecting these dots, you're not just guessing, you're learning what works and what needs to change. Common mistakes to avoid. Focusing only on traffic without looking at what people do. Mirroring too many metrics without knowing what matters. Ignoring small but high quality audiences that actually convert. Treating clicks as the end goal. They are not. It's what happens after that counts.